नमस्कार, हांव गौरी कामत, हेडमिस्ट्रेस श्री महालक्ष्मी प्रायमरी स्कूल, पणजे. आमी ह्या फावटी डिसायड केल्ले काय श्रावणान जी आमी भाज्यो ग्रो करतात, द वेजिटेबल्स दॅट वी ग्रो इन द मंथ ऑफ श्रावण and during the monsoons, we decided to give an information to all the students of our school, and we have informed them to prepare those vegetables. The preparation that we make, that is akuraच्या तोणाक आमी करता, खतखतें करता, तांबडी भाजी करता, we have वाळची भाजी. आमच्यो भाज्यो ज्यो आसात ते भुरग्यांनी पेरंट्सान प्रिपेर करून तांचे कडेन धाडल्यात. And today these students are sharing with each other these vegetables. They are also understanding the importance, the nutritious value of all these vegetables, and the seasonal vegetables that we should consume for a good healthy lifestyle. Today they are learning it from this festival.
My name is Vihan Viswas Dume.
What you brought today?
I brought akur tonaka.
Okay, you have mummy?
Huh?
Teacher?
Yeah.
Yeah? You saw how she prepared?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Little bit I saw.
Now what?
My name is Ayush. I have eaten one kasli cutlet. Methi cutlet. It is very good, and I have eaten one bakri also. It also tastes good.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.